Now we are in the Google. I'm going to press that search lab. You can see that search lab. Click on that search lab. Okay, going to page like that. We'll come to search lab. Scroll down. Okay, right now I'm in on position. You can see that over here, that on. Then you have to switch on right here, on button. Then go to page Google search. Going to search a good place to travel in April. Okay, now you can see the generating search lab is working. Okay, here's some place to visit: Washington DC, Amsterdam, show more result, New Orleans, Las Vegas. Okay, scroll down, you can see that more result coming. Where's the cheapest place to travel in April. Got to click this one. Okay, you can see that generating more details. Okay, Vietnam, Nepal, Portugal, Greece, Mexico. What's the latest expensive place to go vacation? And cheapest place to visit April in Europe. Okay, I want to get search ticket for in the US. Then you can go to ask follow more details. Cheapest air ticket to Florida to DC. Ticket. Search. Result right now according to Momento flight from Florida to DC. Okay, this website is the cheapest right now, 32, cheapest flight from Florida to Washington DC, 2024. Second price, you can see cheapest flight from Florida to Washington DC from $34, cheap flights. Okay, these two websites right now available for cheapest price, $32 and $34. Alright, that's a result you can get from Search Lab Generative AI tools. Whatever you need to search, they give the result right. Not only flight, you can search anything if you want, they give the result right away. Alright guys, today's video like that, generative AI tool, how to search. And if you don't like this feature, then we can turn off. Go to Search Lab. Scroll down. Okay, you can turn off. Click this one. You can see right now there's a turn off button. Then if you don't like, then the Search Lab you can turn off. That's the video how to use generative AI tool for the search. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.